How's it going, my fellow nerdy printers? So, as I said from my welcoming to the new channel video, I'm still new into 3D printing, and the first major project we are working on is the saw cleaver from Bloodborne. I'm a big fan of Bloodborne, and I'm planning on going to a convention this year as a hunter from Bloodborne, so what's a hunter without one of his main weapons? So, this is going to be in technically 16 parts, but the part 15 is in 2 parts, so that's why I'm calling it 16, but this will be in 15 parts. We're going to be going from part number 15, A and B, to part number 1, so kind of working in reverse. So we'll be starting off with the handle, the trigger mechanism, and all of the pegs that connect it all together, and then we'll be moving on to the blade. I've got my 3D printer preheating right now, because that's important, especially when working on ABS, and the handle itself is made out of ABS. The blade I am actually going to be making out of PLA Plus because of all the sharp points. It's going to be much more forgiving. So, also the handle, for the entire handle, is going to be 30% infill, and the main trigger part is going to be about 40% infill. So, let's get started on part 15A and B, and then we'll move on to the next part, shall we? Alright, so we are starting on the printing of parts 15. A and B. This should take, I think, under 2 hours, so it's going to be, let's get right to it, shall we? Alright, and the pieces are done at 1 hour 20 minutes and 36 seconds. Let's get them out of here and check on them. Well, kind of stuck to the build plate a little bit. Got them off. Here we have them. They look pretty good. Let's get a closer look. Alright, so this is part 16. We are printing the 14 pegs. So hopefully this turns out right. I don't actually know how much filament I have, so we'll see how this goes.